What's going on, guys? I am Watch JR Go. It's the 4th of July, so we're here to celebrate. We got some fireworks. They're out here in this trailer. The hospitality / race fuel trailer right there. It's pretty cool because the race fuel's with the fireworks, so if there's a bang, it's gonna be a big one. But Brian's M6 is out of gas, so let's go fill it up. Off to the gas station. This bad boy needs some of that sweet, sweet 91, and it's gonna get it. Got some fireworks celebrations going on right there. Finally got some fuel back in it. Time to go play. This thing is a rocket ship. Unbelievable for a twin turbo V8. What a cool car. Check it out, I'll give you a quick tour. Custom shift handles, carbon fiber inlays with M Performance, Escort 9500 CI, boost gauge. Here's a little boost. There you go. All carbon, AccuAir eLevel, can't beat that. Bass control for the system, Sundown audio, tons of batteries. Everything about this car is absolutely wild. That's it for the M6. Time for some fireworks. Get it, Max. That's pretty hilarious. I've never seen them off-road that far before. Jerry's gonna do this like a boss. Don't like force it back and forth, just kind of stand straight up, like you're standing on, stepping up to a step. Whoop. That was it, you were on it. It was good, you were fine. Fireworks time's coming up. Everybody's on a Segway now. All right, Jerry's figuring it out, but he's gonna be a boss in just a second. Greg's gonna try to ride the Segway. Let's see what happens. Kind of put your foot on there and kind of feel how it moves back and forth. Just a little bit, right? You got that? That's it. That was close. And then kind of step up like it's a stair. Stand up. That's it, that's it, that's it. Right. Now put a little bit of pressure on your toes. A little bit of pressure on your toes. That's it. You got it, dude. First try. No,
I just feel like, whoop, dude, that's what's gonna happen, bro.
You had it.
I saw what's gonna happen.
It's go time. The pool is in America mode. Check this out. It literally has a mode called America, and it just changes to red, white, and blue. Some fires popping off, and there's some legit fire popping off over here. You see the fireworks behind me? Possibly. Here's one. There we go. Oh, here's another one. We got Dom being a beast, lighting off all the fireworks. That's what I'm talking about. Hey!
I'm trying to still. That's my goal.
All right, let's get these two.
Just
ready?
2 and 2.
Which one?
Good. I'll get these two. 1,
2. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Master Dawn.
Let's see what.
Trying to rebuild this double shot right there. Although the wick came out already.
Yeah, they did.
I think that's a goner.
That's a toasty one, yeah.
Double shot. Yeah.
I like this one too. I like this one.
Oh, they're going for it. Roman showed up with the S1000RR, the best bike ever made in history. Can't wait to pick that bad boy up. And Dennis's nasty, nasty GSX-R 1000. Pro arm, Brox exhaust. Look at that. Air shifter, auto shift. Woo-wee. Oh yeah, it's the S1000. It's still here. Amazing. AccuAir on the BMW. Race gas, race gas, race gas, race gas, race gas, race gas. Gang, gang.
Oh, wow.
What's up, dude?
What's going on?
Gang, gang.
Gang, gang.
You know what I'm saying? Everyone just learned how to ride.
We're just letting that ride.
Jason's killing it, Margot's killing it, Roman's killing it. Max has been killing it. Brian didn't just learn how.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. You might fall.
That is it for today, guys. That was an epic fireworks show. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you guys later. This doesn't seem good. What on earth?